everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn your image into a vector using Canva. First, just open Canva and then just start by opening any designs and then just go to apps and then just search for Vectorzer. This app, just click on it and then next just choose the image that you want to turn into the vector like this. And then next you can select the color mode that you want, like you can choose the colorful, gray or black white, and in this tutorial I will just choose black white. And then next below that you will see additional settings that you can tweak, such as color threshold, and then on the advanced settings it has tolerance and clean up small shapes like this. You can just tweak as you like, and when everything looks good just click on start tracer like this. Like this you can get the vector like this. And then if you unsatisfied with the result, just click on adjust settings and then just adjust your settings again. And when you're done, when you're satisfied with the result, just click and add to the design like this. And okay, that's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.